Hello students, this is Shantanu sir, and today we have to start a new chapter, area and volumes. So at first we have to know how to finding the area of rectangle and square. And we know the rectangle is looks like this and always a square looks like this. Okay, so the form of area of a rectangle equal to this is length and this is breadth. So area equal to length into breadth of rectangle, and here is this is the square and the all side of a square are same. If I think this is the length of side is a, so it should be a, always it should be a, and it's also a. So in this case area should be 4 side into side, or it can be written as side square. So here the side is a, so a square. Understood everyone? So we have to remember the formula of rectangle. Area is equal to length into breadth, and area of a square equal to side square. Understood everyone? Now just try to solve some question. Here is the first question. What is the area of each of these rectangles drawn on a centimeter grid? So where is a area, each length of a square is 1 centimeter. So how many square here in a row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 square. So length is 5 centimeter. And how many square in a column? There are 3 square. So 1, 2 and 3. So how many row here? A column here? 3 column. So here is 3 centimeter. So length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. Therefore the area will be length into breadth. So length is 5 and breadth is 3. So 5 into 3, that's mean 15 square centimeter. Always we have to write unit. And here the area of unit always is square. It should be centimeter square or meter square and so on. So similarly just try to find the area of question number 2. Here is 1, 2 square in a row. So here side is 2 centimeter. And in similarly here also it's 2 centimeter. So this is a square. So here is side is 2 and also actually both sides are same. Both are 2 centimeter. So this is a square, and we know the area of the square is side square. So side square means 2 square. 2 square means 4 square centimeter. Understood everyone? Now question number 4. Just try to solve question number 4. Just at first count how many square here in a row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this side 6 square. So the length of this side 6 centimeter, and in the side 1 and 2. So this side 2 centimeter. So this is the length and this is breadth. So what is the formula? And also this is the rectangle. So what is the formula of area of a rectangle? It's length into breadth. So here 6 into 2, that's mean 12 square centimeter. Understood everyone? And similarly just try to find the area of this figure. 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 centimeter, and similarly here 1, 2, 3. It's also 3 centimeter. So 3 into 3. This is a square. So the area of a square is side square. So here is side 3 square. So 3 square means 9 square centimeter. Understood everyone? Now we have to find the area using formula. Now this is a length and this is a breadth and this is a rectangle shape. So what is the area of the formula of rectangle? It's a length into breadth. So it's 3 into 2, that's mean 6 centimeter. Okay. Now similarly here is also it's a rectangle shape, and here is length and this is breadth. So here is the formula will be 15 into 5, that's mean 75 square centimeter. Okay. Now in similar way, just try to find the area of this portion, and here is length 3 centimeter, and in this side the length is 3 centimeters. So both 3 into 3, that's mean 3 into 3, that's mean 9 square centimeter. Okay. Now similarly, just try to find the area of this portion. Here is the length 4 centimeter and breadth 2 centimeter. So it's also again a rectangle shape. So the area of rectangle shape will be 4 into length into breadth, that's mean 4 into 2, that's mean 8 square centimeter. Understood everyone? Now we have to find the areas of this figure using the method of determining area of rectangles and squares. So just try to, this is not a properly rectangle shapes. So you have to at first divide it in rectangle shapes or square shapes. So if I draw from here, then it's a figure 1 and it's a figure 2. This is a figure 1 and this is a rectangular figure, and it's also a rectangular figure. So what is the area of figure 1? Here is the length 5 and breadth 2. So area will be 5 into 2, that's mean 10 square centimeter. Similarly, just try to find the area of figure 2. Here is the length of figure 2 is 2 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter. So length into breadth, that's mean 2 into 1 means 2 square centimeter. Now we have to add them. If we add them, then we will get 12 square centimeter. So the area of the whole figure is 12 square centimeter. Understood everyone? Now just try to solve next question. So at first divide it too many parts. This is think that this is a figure 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. Now just try to find the area of figure 1. What is the area? This is a square and both sides, this is 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter. So what is the formula of square? It is side square, that's mean 1. Now this is a rectangle shape and here is the length. This is 1 and this is also 1. So total length is 1 plus 1 2 and breadth is 1 centimeter. So figure 2's area 2 into 1, that's mean 2. Okay. Now try to find the area of figure 3. From here to here it's a 2 and this is 1. So the length is 3 centimeter and breadth again it's 1. So area of 3 is 3 into 1, that's mean 3 square centimeter. Similarly, now we have to find the area of figure 4. So here breadth is 1 and length is 4 centimeter. So area will be 4 into 1, that's mean 4. Now just add them. 4 3 7, 7 2 9 and 1 10. So 10 square centimeter. Understood? Now just try to solve this question at your home. Now we have to find the area and perimeter of the carpet and kitchen garden. Find the area and perimeter of the carpet and kitchen garden. So for those types of picture, always we have to divide in two shapes, either rectangular shapes or square shape. So this is a rectangle shape and here the length is 10 meter and here the breadth is 5 meter. Now this is a figure 1. So what is the area of figure 1? This is a rectangle shape, so L into B. So the area will be L into B, that's mean 10 into 5, that's mean 50 square meter. Now we have to find the area of second portion, and here is the total length 3 meter and breadth is 2 meter. So the length is 3 meter and breadth is 2 meter. So area of figure 2 is, again it's rectangular figure. So here the length is 3 and breadth is 2. So length into breadth, that's mean 6 square meter. Understood everyone? So overall area equal to, we have to add them. So area equal to 50 plus 6, that's mean 56 square meter. Okay, now we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter means the sum of all sides. So perimeter equal to, the length of this side is 5 centimeter, 5 meter. Now this side it's 10 meter. Now this side, this is 1 meter given. So now add 1. This side 2 meter plus 2. This side 3 meter plus 3. This side again 2 meter. So plus 2 plus this side it's given 1 meter. So 1 plus again it's 10. So right here 10. So now add them and overall answer will be 15, 16, 18, 21, 21 plus 2, 23, 24 and 10, that's mean 34. This is meter. This is our final answer. Okay. Now just try to solve question number E. Find the areas of rectangles with the following measurement. So we have to find the area and we know the formula. It's length into breadth. So here is length and breadth given. So area will be 5 into 3. That's mean 15 square centimeter. Okay. Similarly, this is 12 into 5. So 12 into 5 means 60 square centimeter. This is 10 into 7. So that's mean 70 square centimeter. Now this is 20 into 5. Now multiply 20 into 5, that's mean 100 square meter. Now just try to solve at your home these two questions. Now question number F. Find the areas of a square with the following length of side. We have to find the area of a square. Now what is the formula of area of a square? This is side square. So just multiply this with this. So 8 into 8 or 8 square, that's means 64 square centimeter. Now try to solve this question. Here is the given side is 5. Now the area will be 5 into 5, that's mean 25 square meter. Now just try to solve this question. 64. Now just simplify, multiply 6.4 into 6.4 and it's 40.96 square meter. Okay everyone. Now just try to solve all the problem at your home. Okay. Bye. Thank you.